Welcome back. Goa will be soon developed into a knowledge hub. General Secretary of the GPCC, Vijay Sardesai, informed the media that Chairman of the Innovation Commission, Sam Pitroda, has assured full support for this idea. He also informed that a direct train to Tirupati is under consideration.
The Goa government intends to start its Goa chapter either on the 17th or the 18th of this month. So Mr. Pitroda has agreed to us and he will be coming to inaugurate the Goa chapter of the Innovation Commission. Knowledge cities would be fully equipped cities which would be having the best universities or basically create Goa as a knowledge destination.
Sardesai also informed that the chairman of the Innovation Commission, Sam Pitroda, will visit the state to inaugurate the Goa chapter of the Innovation Commission.
So Mr. Pitroda said that you don't acquire land don't do reckless land acquisition, but take the landowner as a stakeholder.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Vijay Sardesai met Union Railways Minister Dinesh Trivedi. They demanded a direct train to Tirupati. Similarly, they have demanded a one-day stop at Velankani to get devotees back to Goa. He informed that Dinesh Trivedi has assured to meet their demands before the winter session.
One demand is for Hindu pilgrims to visit Tirupati, that there should be a train on a daily basis and that there should be a break in the journey of the train that goes to Velankani. So we needed to have a train which is equipped with a pantry also. The technical committee of the railway board will visit Goa before the onset of the winter session of Parliament and declare that these demands have been met.
A reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Now news from sports. Goa had a good showing at the 57 National School Games. In swimming, Thalasha Prabhu was expected to win gold, but she also went on to break a few records on the way. The diving duo of Ahlahad Chatti and Genevieve D'Costa put up a good show as well. Football saw Goa clinch gold, while Sepak Takraw and tug of war were strong performances. Goa surprised all in Sqay Martial Arts as the host won a staggering 30 medals to top the charts in the sport. Today we review Goa's performance in the recently concluded National School Games.
Last year, Goa hosted 3 disciplines. This time around, organizational aspects of the game were in larger volumes since Goa would be hosting a total of 7 disciplines. Not only did Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs put up a good show, but the athletes did quite well too. In swimming, Thalasha Prabhu was Goa's sole medal winner. Her exploits came in 50 and 100 meter freestyle and 200 meter medley. In diving, Goa won the runners-up spot with strong performances. The top performers were Ahlahad Chatti, who won the Best Diver award in the Under-14 category with 3 gold medals. Genevieve D'Costa was the runner-up in the Under-17 girls category with 2 gold and 1 silver. Sqay Martial Arts was a clear winner for Goa. Goa raked up a staggering tally of medals in Sqay: 13 gold, 10 silver and 7 bronze. Here are a few medal winners in Sqay Martial Arts. Goa always enter the football championship starting as favourites, and this time around the Goan team did justice to the favourites tag. Goa thrashed Orissa 5-0 on the final day at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda. Goa also put up a decent show in Sepak Takraw, but the boys and girls teams lost out in the quarter-final stage to the same opponent, Manipur, by the same scoreline of 3-0. Tug of war saw some strong performance by Goans as the under-19 girls team clinched silver while the boys team snatched bronze. With bureau inputs, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
Somdev Varman and Sania Mirza have been 2 tennis sensations to emerge in the recent times from cricket-crazy India. This proves that India has the talent. Ranked 24th on the ITF circuit, Gustavo Periziano feels Goans have the potential to excel in tennis, but lack of infrastructure and training facilities in Goa are holding them back. Gustavo was at the Hot Shots Tennis Academy in Porvorim to impart some valuable coaching to aspiring local tennis players.
Hot Shots Tennis Academy have knocked on the services of Gustavo Periziano of Argentina to impart some valuable coaching to Goans. This is Gustavo in his element.
Go, run, come on, Come. You hit cross court. Come, I hit. Cross court. Go diagonal here, and you hit a backhand. Well, I don't think in tennis is unpopular sport in India. India has very good champions, and they have played Davis Cups with very good results. So it's not as popular as cricket, but it's a rather popular game. It's just that here in Goa, I found out that the kids have not had proper training. So they need to develop. They need to know what it takes to play good tennis, regardless if they want to be a world champion or just a very good player.
The Argentine feels a lot more needs to be done on the infrastructure in Goa.
Well, what I found out, I have only been here 1 week in Goa, but I can see that there's a lot of work to be done, mostly because there's a lot of potential. There are a lot of kids who play well and can play a lot better if they receive the proper training and they have the infrastructure to do it. That means balls, coaching, courts, and ways to practice the sport and develop and learn.
Stephen Pereira, the man who runs Hot Shots Academy, gave a few more details of Gustavo's visit.
And we are hoping to bring the game up to the next level. And we are also looking forward to the government supporting us in the future. And we are happy to say in today's camp, the State Authority of Goa, Sports Authority of Goa, as well as the Goa State Tennis Association is supporting us. So once with the national games coming up in 2014, we are going to be having additional infrastructure, and hopefully camps like this will bring an awareness and make parents bring their children towards enjoying this sport of tennis.
Our video journalist Omkar Farlari from Miramar.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.